नमस्कार मित्रों, वेलकम back in online study of mathematics YouTube channel. Here in this session we will discuss a more required solution of a question of exercise 9.5, that is 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square and minus 1.5p and minus 2.5q whole square. So dear, how can we solve this question? Let us see here. दोस्तों, how can we solve this question, that is 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p and minus 2.5q whole square. So let us dear, you will take as, here you can solve this question in two ways. Number one, let's this one is a and this one is b, so you can use the formula, that is identity a minus b whole square. And same here, means you will use this identity a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let us, this one is a and this one is b, and same as you will apply this same identity in this bracket, and then you can solve this question. Otherwise we will take as this one is a and this one is b. Try to understand. Let this one is a and this one is b. Whole part of this let's a and whole part of this will be b. Then we can say that this will be convert a, because this is whole is a, so a square, and minus this one whole is b, so you will take minus b square, and you know an identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So replace this a and b by this value, this one is a and this one is b, in both bracket. So you will get the answer in simple way. See here how to do. Let's it one, that is this a, so you will put the value, that is 2.5p and minus 1.5q, it is a, okay, and then plus b as the identity plus b, so b is this value, so we will put here 1.5p minus 2.5q, and this is the value a and b, so you will let us the square bracket here. This one is first part, okay. After that, now this one a minus b, so we will write into, and the second things we will start again square bracket for this term, that is a is the value, this one you can see it is 2.5p minus 1.5q, this one, this whole value is a, okay. So let's see here, you will put 2.5p minus 1.5q, and after that see here this one is minus b, so you will mark the sign here minus, and again a minus b, so minus, then you will put b, b means 1.5p minus 2.5q. I want to tell you that once again, what will you do here, that try to understand. We will use this identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b, means फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में हम दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और सेकंड ब्रैकेट में हम दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। तो देखिए वो मैंने किया भी है, ये है आपका a और ये है b, तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर दिया, सो यू कैन सी दिस प्लस दिस, ओके। and in the second bracket we will subtract according to this identity. So A is this one and B is this one, and here is the minus and here is the plus. Okay, so what to do in this case? You can see that after that in the next step you will get here, since here is plus, so you can add simply without any changing 2.5p and plus 1.5p. The total is 0.5 means 10, so 0 and carries 1, and 1 and 2 that is 3 and carry 1. So you will write here 4.0p, and after that see here this is both sign is negative, so again you will add, so 1.5 and 2.5, again you will get 4q, so you will write here minus 4.0q. क्या किया है, दोनों को हमने ऐड कर लिया, और यहाँ पे माइनस है तो ऐड तो होगा लेकिन साइन माइनस का ही होगा। अब आइए सेकंड ब्रैकेट को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे। तो सेकंड ब्रैकेट जब सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो दोस्तों यहाँ साइन यहाँ पे माइनस है, तो ये साइन आपका पहले चेंज करना पड़ेगा। व्हेन यू ऑपरेट द ब्रैकेट, जैसे ही आप ब्रैकेट को ओपन करेंगे तो अंदर के सभी साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे। यू विल गेट जस्ट लाइक दैट 2.5, सी हियर हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व इट। 2.5 मैंने जैसा है वैसा ही पूरा लिख दिया, माइनस 1.5q, और सेकेंड टर्म इसकी बात करते हैं तो माइनस 1.5p एंड माइनस, ये देखिएगा माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे प्लस हो जाएगा, तो ये होगा 2.5 प्लस 2.5q and bracket is closed. After that you can see that in the next step 4 is common here, so you take 4 as common, 0 is meaningless, so 4 is common and you will get p minus q only in the first bracket. Okay, and in the second bracket you can see 2.5p and here is minus 1.5p. You can choose only like term p and p, so 2.5 minus 1.5 you will get only 1p, so you can write here only p, no need to write 1. Okay, see once again 0.5 minus 0.5 0 and 2 minus 1 1, so no need to write here 1, only p you can write here. After that this is the positive 2.5q and this is the negative 1.5q. Again you will subtract these two. So 0.5 minus 0.5 0 and 2 minus 1 means 1. So you can directly write minus q. आप देखिए यहाँ पे माइनस क्यू होगा या प्लस, बिकॉज दिस 2.5 इज ग्रेटर देन 1.5q and this 2.5 have the positive sign, so you will put here plus, this is plus q, and after that dear now you can write either this is the answer, otherwise you can use here identity once again, so you will get, because a minus b and a plus b, you will get a square minus b square. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। इस यहाँ भी आप छोड़ सकते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम 2 स्टेप में ही इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो ये मेथड था, और दूसरा मेथड ये है, यू कैन डायरेक्टली एक्सपेंड दिस एक्सप्रेशन बाय द फॉर्मूला a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab इन द बोथ टर्म। यहाँ भी यही फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, यहाँ भी यूज करेंगे, तब भी हमें यही आंसर मिलेगा। सो दिस इज द सेकेंड वे टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन। आई थिंक दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट। सो डियर, थैंक यू सो मच।